Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. I have received a lot of requests to review TomTom Adventure Sports Watch, which is aimed specifically for outdoor adventures like skiing, outdoor cycling, hiking, etc. So let's get into it. I have reviewed TomTom Spark Cardio and TomTom Runner in the past, and this watch has a similar look and hardware, but TomTom Adventure is more useful for outdoor activities, where its ability trumps TomTom Runner and Spark 3 easily. TomTom Spark is aimed at fitness, Runner 3 is aimed at running, but Adventure is aimed at outdoor activities because of its extra sensors, which gives you additional stats for your outdoor activities. TomTom Adventure also has features like integrated music player, multi-sports mode. People who like to track their altitude in real time or want to cross-reference with a map or like to know how far they've climbed on a hill will just love this watch. TomTom Adventure excels in heart rate tracing, GPS tracking, battery life as well. Let's quickly see the official video of TomTom explaining the top features of TomTom Adventure. I've used the watch for a few days and also took it for a hike on Tongariro crossing. The battery didn't last me for the whole 8-hour Tongariro crossing, but I got half a day of it with the heart rate monitor on. If I would have disabled the heart rate, maybe I would have been able to get more battery life out of this. Really amazing how much you can get out of the watch in terms of the stats from my Tongariro crossing. Final words, TomTom Adventure is a standout device. No wonder I got so many requests to unbox and review. The data it gathers from outdoor activities like hiking is really interesting and very useful. The Adventure puts in a good performance in heart rate tracking and GPS. Like always, I'll post all the details about the product in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel, and please keep sending me your review requests and I will try my best to do them.